Welcome back to another Insurance Agent episode. I am Lars's digital assistant, Alex. This video is about boosting your bar's profits using AI. We'll explore real-life success stories and strategies that can help you enhance customer experiences and increase sales in the competitive nightlife industry. AI can analyze customer data to create personalized marketing campaigns. Imagine sending a special offer on a customer's favorite drink on their birthday, significantly increasing loyalty and sales through targeted promotions. AI-powered chatbots can engage with customers on your website or social media. They can answer queries, promote events, and even take reservations, enhancing customer interaction and driving event attendance. AI can predict high-demand items, optimizing inventory management. By forecasting demand, you can reduce waste and ensure popular items are always in stock, improving efficiency and profit margins. AI-driven dynamic pricing adjusts prices based on demand and time. Offering discounts during off-peak hours can attract more customers, increasing foot traffic and boosting overall sales. AI optimizes staff schedules and energy management, reducing operational costs. By predicting customer traffic, you can ensure adequate staffing during peak times, improving service quality and reducing labor expenses. AI can automate email campaigns and social media management, enhancing marketing efforts. By analyzing engagement, you can optimize your strategy, keeping your bar top of mind and increasing customer visits. Thank you for watching. By integrating AI into your bar operations, you can transform your establishment into a more efficient, profitable, and customer-friendly venue. Start small and expand as you become comfortable with AI technology.